This is sum in TWM, page 105, sum number 15, which we tried in class. And the sum says this: there are 3 points, call them P, which is equal to A plus B and C. Then there is Q, which is C plus A, B, and R, which is equal to B plus C and A. And the job is to show that P, Q, and R are collinear. Now to do this, we are going to have to show that the distance, we're going to compare the distance PQ, compare the distance QR, and then compare the distance PR. And we'll know that if P, Q, and R are collinear, then this distance plus this distance is equal to this distance. So we're going to try to show that. We're not sure that P, Q, and R are in the order. It could be P, Q, R, or of course it could also be P, R, and Q, etc. But we're just going to compare the distances and see what happens. So let's see. PQ, what is that? Well, to compute PQ, you take the square root of the difference in the squares of the y coordinates and then the x coordinates. When you take the y coordinates, what happens is, if I subtract a minus b, a plus b from c plus a, the a and the a will cancel, so I will get c minus b the whole squared. And over here, by taking these two, I get plus b minus c the whole squared. Now, when you square them, c minus b squared is the same as b minus c squared. So this is equal to root of 2 times b minus c the whole squared, which is equal to b minus c times root 2. Now, similarly, you can do the same exercise with PQ. We did with PQ, we can do it with QR. And QR is going to be b minus a into root 2. And PR is going to be a minus c into root 2. Of course, the signs of these various things will depend upon which you pick, and therefore it will also depend upon whether a is greater than b or greater than c, or c is between b and a, you never know. And this is what will determine in what order these lines, these points are going to be. But in any case, it's now quite easy to see if I have PQ is equal to b minus c into root 2 and PR is equal to a minus c into root 2. Then if I add them up, I will get, if I take PQ minus QR, I will get b minus c, sorry, PQ minus PR, b minus c minus a plus c. And what will happen is this will cancel out into root 2. That will be b minus a into root 2. And of course, this is going to be the same as what we calculated for QR. Of course, all this will matter. All this will depend upon the signs of b plus c and a minus c. And as I told you, that will tell you in which order P, Q, and R are. So this is how this problem is solved.